Start strong, beginner no equipment workouts.
Begin with simple moves such as bodyweight squats, push-ups on your knees, standing lunges, and plank holds. Focus on learning correct form and control. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per movement. Rest between sets as needed. Consistency, 3 to 4 times per week, helps build a solid foundation and reduces the risk of injury.
Level up, building endurance and strength.
Once you feel comfortable, increase difficulty by performing full push-ups, reverse lunges, glute bridges, and extending your plank time. Try adding a second circuit of all moves, minimize rest, or slow your movements to challenge your muscles further. Keep track of your progress and celebrate improvements in technique and stamina.
Intermediate progressions, new variations.
At this stage, introduce variations. Try single leg squats to a chair, decline push-ups with feet elevated, Bulgarian split squats, and side planks. Increase your rep ranges or decrease rest time for greater intensity. These tweaks test your balance, stability, and strength, preparing you for more advanced challenges.
Advanced moves, getting stronger without equipment.
Advance by exploring explosive and complex moves like jump squats, plyometric push-ups, pistol squats, and plank variations with movement. Aim for strict form and controlled reps. High-intensity intervals combining several advanced moves in a circuit can strengthen your whole body and further boost endurance.
Stay motivated. Tips for continued progress.
Keep your workouts effective by setting clear goals, tracking your achievements, and varying your routines regularly. Listen to your body and allow for rest and recovery. Progress isn't always linear, but with patience and persistence, you'll continue to improve your strength, mobility, and confidence, all without any equipment.